We're going on a road trip in the wagon. What I did is I cleaned out the fuel lines. I put a new fuel filter on it, cleaned out the carburetor, and nothing major. It just was clogged up from sitting. So now I'm taking it to the new shop, the old shop, my father-in-law's shop. So if you like a good road trip, stick around. And we'll see if we make it or not this time. Nice no dash. Hey, a new Porsche. We got a lot of rich neighbors, so I'm driving a $2,000 station wagon, and he's got like a $180,000 Porsche. But what the hell? Everybody needs something. So, ooh, there's an old truck. Woo-hoo. All right, I'm going to put you down and just concentrate on driving, but it looks like so far so good. We've done about a mile. Ooh, there's another old truck. That's a nice one right there. All right, here we go. Talk to you later. May have to adjust the idle when we get there. It's a little high, but you know, it's better to be high and not dying than to be too low and die at every stoplight. So we'll go from there. Beautiful out here in southern Louisiana. Anyways, everything's working out good. Just checking in. I'll have some more video here in a while. So here we are cruising through South Louisiana. It all used to be like this. I'm getting to be old now, but a little further up here they started building subdivisions, so I'm not going to film all that. But this used to be it. Well, I just saw the sign that said Louisiana Scenic. Tula, Louisiana. This is how all small towns should be. You know, it's not like that anymore. But you know, it's off the interstate. It's you know, it's a quaint little place. Sort of like where I grew up. You know, it's a nice little place. That's all I can say. Make sure I go the speed limit. Don't want to get a ticket. Running yellow. But here we go. There's the grain elevator. Tracks running down the center of town. There's a cage for an alligator. Do not feed the alligator. They always have had one there. And then there's just a ton of old little, what you call it? Little shops, antique stores, so forth, so on. So, you know, it's all good. More South Louisiana. I'm still driving. I've been driving for about an hour and 10 minutes. Not an issue. You know, especially for a vehicle that's been sitting for a year and a half or so. Really and truly, I haven't taken it anywhere other than around the block. So I'm pretty happy. Hopefully I make it all the way. Hopefully I have, ooh, that got nice smoke taillights. You couldn't even see him turning. So anyways, just thought I'd give you an update, and then I'll do an update when we get all the way there. Alright. So I'm still driving, but I just thought about it. I don't know how many of you guys have seen the Dukes of Hazzard movie with Jessica Simpson and so forth. Right there's the bar from the movie. You know, it's called the Moondrop Inn or some shit like that. The Moonlight Inn. So, you know, it's been there for quite a while, and it was in the movie. I think in the movie it's called The Boar's Nest or some shit like that. So there it is. There's the gas, and here we are. I made it the whole way with not a bit of problems, so life is good. So I'm gonna park this sumbitch and go from there.